What is going on, guys? We're back to the watch list. Now, with that being said, we got a lot to go over here, so let's just jump right into this. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. Morning, everybody. You guys, or evening actually now, you guys see that what we all have up on the screen. I kept the 200 EMA up here just because I had a lot of people message me saying they liked it, so we're going to keep it in the videos. The only reason I had it in the last video was because obviously the 200 EMA has been something big. Amazon's a big piece of this market, and realistically, it just keeps bouncing off of it, and you guys can look in the past and everything like that. Yes, we did have a little bit of a weird period here, and then it popped through and stayed above it for the most part. And then once it starts downtrending again, and I played the majority of this play here on puts, and I made a lot of money doing this. And no, I did not trade using the 200 EMA. I used trading my strategy. This is using the 200 EMA, guys, is not a strategy. It's not an edge. Is it something to kind of give you a little confirmation? Maybe that may be somebody out there, but just using the 200 EMA is not going to give you a strategy and give you an edge in this market. But CNBC does seem to push the 200 moving average or EMA, depending on which person you're listening to. Don't listen to those idiots all the time, just so you guys know. But this one has pulled back off of it again. And again, I said the other day when this one pushed up to it, we needed to see if this was going to actually push through it and keep moving, or if we were going to see this downfall. And today we even had a massive run up. I messed up on this day trade actually. I bought puts when I was supposed to be buying calls. I even called calls and during live trading said I was going to buy calls, and literally as soon as I entered, I noticed that I bought puts. I don't know why I bought puts. I just clicked on the wrong thing. It happens. It's user error. I can't be mad at anybody other than myself for costing me what would have been roughly around a $5,000 trade in this move. And I probably only would have took about $2,200 to $2,500, depending on how fast the options really moved today. But they were moving pretty quick. So with that being said, this one I don't even think you're going to see it get back up into here. I think tomorrow, more than likely, because it's a Friday, I don't think people are wanting to hold positions overnight, especially retail traders and over the weekends. I'm okay with holding during the week. I'm in a position on NVDA. We'll talk about that in just a minute. But right now, I'm not really seeing anything that I'm just dead set on. I need to carry it over the weekend. So that will more than likely be my strategy going in tomorrow. I'll make my money day trading with using my day trading strategy with my students, and then moving on and not holding anything over the weekend unless my NVDA trade doesn't break down tomorrow. Like I'm kind of hoping it does, because again, I don't want to hold over the weekend, but that'll be kind of a game time decision on whether I need to keep that position or not. Again, so NVDA puts is what I bought. No, I'm not using the 200 EMA as a strategy. My strategy actually confirmed literally today, thanks to a student that reminded me of it. I honestly wouldn't even look at it. I was so focused on day trading. You guys can see where I entered. I entered a little early, but again, we're having these massive pullbacks as soon as it's hitting the 200 EMA, and I'm not really worried about this position. Again, I had a student, reach out to me basically saying they were panicked. If you guys are going to swing trade, you have to be able to go through ups and downs. I know nobody wants to go through, maybe losing a position or two, guys. No trader is 100%. I'm not 100% accurate. I'm very, very accurate for being a trader, but again, it's having an edge and having a strategy and trusting it. Trade like a computer, not like a human. Humans have emotions, and emotions screw most traders, just so you guys know. That is like the best advice I can give any new trader. Trade like a robot once you have a strategy. So again, I think NVDA is going to fall. The other one I kind of have up here, and I didn't even buy puts in this yet. This may be the only one that I look to buy for over the weekend. I'm kind of watching this one instead, but I do think Ford is going to fall further. You guys know I'm not big on automakers whatsoever. I think if they don't go electric here soon, I think that they're going to have a very, very big problem. Some of you guys may have saw that here
coming in, I think it was like 2030, California's already made it regulated to where they all have to be electric vehicles of some sort. Again, I didn't read a lot into that one. My friend told me that. The article was there. It is 100% true. But again, I think Ford and GM and people like that are going to they're going to take some hits if they can't figure out the battery game. And even though Tesla's battery day went absolutely horrible for them, and I did not watch this, but from what I know is it did not go well. They're doing the same thing that a lot of these did, is they went up and then got crushed. Again, Amazon got up. Thankfully, Amazon didn't get absolutely crushed, but it did fall. And then when it comes down to poor Spy, not being able to get back very far. They were barely green on the day, it looks like. Again, I don't watch the market all day. I don't expect you guys to as well, and I don't expect my students to watch it all day. So with that being said, guys, that is the watch list. The two plays I am going to watch are Ford and NVDA, also known as NVIDIA, or F as in Ford. Make sure you guys are playing smart. Make sure if you guys are new traders, I can't stress this enough. My biggest number one rule for every single one of my students is to start small. You're going to make mistakes. Don't quit. Make sure you have a strategy and actually be consistent. If you're going to learn to be consistent, do it on a smaller scale first and then start to grow that thing. I know this has been a lot of topics with a lot of people here lately, and everybody wants to grow faster than what they're meant to be, and they all want to be millionaires so fast, and they all want to, do this for a living. It's okay if you don't do this for a living and you just do it for a second source of income. That may be a goal as well for most people. Being able to make money in the market, even when you're sleeping, and just as a skill is going to pay off dividends so far down the road, guys. I can't even explain it. So thank you guys all for watching this video. I hope this helps somebody. If you guys are new and you guys have questions, please leave a comment or DM me on Instagram. The links are all below, and just let me know how I can help you.